Okay, I'm over here in the final 2 rows of beans, and let me tell you what, this little patch right here is looking rough. They are diseased all up looking. Like I posted earlier that it was a slug that was eaten over there. It's the only thing we found on all them beans. It didn't look anything like this. But then I have these. See them nasty little things? Those are clearly what my problem is, and I'm just squishing them all. I'll put some wood ash on here. I don't know if that'll help with whatever these bugs is, but squishing them clearly does. But man, they are making a mess of my beans over here. So it's just on this little patcho that I found so far. I was really hoping it was the slug, but clearly not. Couldn't be that lucky. Yeah, I don't know what they are. Some kind of little aphid something, but man, they're everywhere. Look. Yeah, I don't know. Anyhow, there you have it, Gertie. But I don't see no. Oh my gosh! Oh, that might be little eggs right down there on the bottom. Probably is. But anyhow, yeah. Right now I'm just squishing. I'm assuming it's okay. So we'll see, I guess. But I just wanted to show you all that. Hopefully wood ash will treat it, because we've never had an issue with it before up here. These is the Blue Lake beans. The others was the Tender Reds. So I don't think that has anything to do with it, because they all look the same to me. But yeah, anyhow, oh my gosh, there's more. See, look, there's one on this. It's just getting started. This leaf is more yellow. And ta-da! I ain't seeing no damage to the beans, though. I mean, they're looking all right that I pull off the plant, but it'll clearly wreak havoc on production later, though. I mean, these are awful looking. I'll put some fertilizer. Oh my gosh, look at this. Oh, come back here. Look at that. Oh, they're just falling off. There's so bloody many of them. And then they got little eggs laying there. I'm just going to take this leaf off and squish the whole thing. Yep, look at that. Yeah. They literally just eat all the green out of the plant. It's crazy. Oop, don't you fall off. Anyhow, I'm going to just rid of those. Put it in my weed pile. I'll toss them out of here. But that's it right there. It's just this section's the only place I'm seeing them at so far. Definitely got to get a hold of them, though. I don't know where they even come from. But that's definitely the culprit on this section. It's a totally different kind of eating, though. Like, that had just little holes in the leaves. This is taking the color out. I mean, they're just dried up and nasty looking. Beans ain't damaged, just the plant. No plant, no beans, though. So, gotta take care of it. Okay, it's cool enough this evening that I was able to come back out here to the garden spot because it's been bloody hot. But I did some looking into the little yellow larvae thingies that was on my beans, and it turns out they are Mexican bean beetles. They are like a relative to the ladybug or something, but that's them in the larvae stage, so they're like the little worms. They squished easy, and said they mostly feed on the plant, but they can eat on the bean pods too, but they mostly just feed on the plant. Anyways, this is still the only section I've seen any damage from them, being where they eat the plants all up. I mean, look at that, see through them. There's my finger down there. But I ain't been seeing no more, but clearly these ain't much in the way of producing now. There's a little bean left behind, but they ain't got flowers, nothing really, so I don't know if I should trim it off, see what happens, or what, but there ain't no more larvae on there. Me and Eva just squished them all, but you can treat them with like some diatomaceous earth and stuff, for anything natural, organic, or just, put your kids out there playing squish game. But that's what they are, is Mexican bean beetles, related to the ladybug, thoroughly enjoying the plant. So, I got two enemies of the beans in this garden, I guess. The snails, or the slugs, and the bean beetle. So, that is what it is, I guess. So, hopefully y'all find the information helpful. But thank you.